If you're a fan of portable, high-quality video gear, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to dive into what could be the next big release from DJI, the OSMO Pocket 4. From groundbreaking stabilization to ultra-crisp 4K video, the OSMO Pocket series has transformed how creators capture on-the-go footage. With DJI's history of innovation, what can we expect from the next-generation OSMO Pocket? Let's break down all the expected specs, features, and of course, the potential release date and pricing. The OSMO Pocket series has been a game-changer for vloggers, travelers, and content creators alike. Its compact, user-friendly design, combined with DJI's gimbal stabilization and 4K video capabilities, has made it a go-to tool for capturing high-quality footage without the bulk of traditional camera setups. In October 2023, DJI introduced the OSMO Pocket 3, which brought some pretty impressive upgrades, including a 1-inch sensor for enhanced image quality, a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen that makes framing and navigating settings easier, and the powerful Active Track 6.0 technology that ensures precise subject tracking. Additionally, it supports 4K video recording at 120 FPS, which is perfect for slow-motion footage and action shots, making it a top choice for content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers seeking high performance in a compact, handheld design. But like any new release, the Pocket 3 wasn't without its areas for improvement. Some users found that, while the 1-inch sensor offered great low-light performance, its 9.4 megapixel resolution sometimes lacked the sharpness needed for detailed shots. With the OSMO Pocket 4, it's highly likely that DJI will address this by increasing the sensor's resolution, giving us sharper, more detailed footage, especially in challenging conditions. Imagine a bigger, better sensor for the Pocket 4, offering both improved detail and better performance in low-light environments. This would be a dream for filmmakers and content creators who shoot in dynamic lighting conditions. So, when can we expect this? Well, based on DJI's typical release pattern, it's fair to predict that the OSMO Pocket 4 could drop sometime between late 2026 and early 2027. But remember, DJI always keeps us on our toes with exciting teasers, so we may get a sneak peek of its new features even earlier. Now let's talk about what DJI might bring to the table with the OSMO Pocket 4. For starters, we could see major improvements in video quality. The Pocket 3 already supports 4K video at 120 frames per second, which is fantastic for slow-motion shots. But what if DJI takes it up a notch, giving us even higher frame rates or more advanced slow-motion capabilities? It would make the Pocket 4 a powerful tool for action filmmakers and slow-motion enthusiasts. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is expected to bring significant improvements over its predecessor, especially in terms of subject tracking and performance in challenging conditions. While the OSMO Pocket 3's Active Track 6.0 was a major hit, some users experienced issues when tracking fast-moving subjects or shooting in tricky lighting. For the Pocket 4, DJI may introduce advanced technologies such as phase detection autofocus and eye tracking, which would deliver more precise and reliable tracking across various conditions. These enhancements would make the OSMO Pocket 4 ideal for creators filming sports, wildlife, or fast-paced vlogs. Another area where the OSMO Pocket 4 could really shine is with its display. The 2-inch rotatable screen on the Pocket 3 was a great improvement, but with the Pocket 4, we could see an even brighter, sharper, and more responsive touchscreen. For those filming outdoors, this could be a game changer. Imagine never struggling to see your shot, even in bright sunlight. Enhanced brightness and better touch sensitivity would make using the Pocket 4 even more seamless in any environment. Battery life is always a big consideration, and the OSMO Pocket 4 could deliver improvements here too. With longer battery life and enhanced stabilization, creators will have even more freedom to capture smooth, high-quality footage during fast-paced activities like sports or travel, without worrying about constant recharging. Now let's talk about audio. While the built-in microphones on the Pocket 3 were decent, there's definitely room for improvement. We might see features like wind noise reduction and better integration with external microphones, which would elevate the Pocket 4's audio quality for vloggers and filmmakers alike. Better audio quality paired with DJI's superior video would make the Pocket 4 an unbeatable tool for content creators. One more exciting possibility: the integration of live streaming. Imagine being able to live stream your adventures straight from the Pocket 4, with advanced AI scene detection automatically adjusting settings to ensure the best possible footage. This could really simplify the filming process for creators. With more people streaming on social platforms, this could be a huge win for content creators looking for a portable live streaming solution. As the potential release date of the Osmo Pocket 4 approaches, we'll be keeping an eye out for teasers and announcements from DJI. With their track record of pushing boundaries, the Pocket 4 is sure to raise the bar once again. Thanks for tuning in today. Are you excited about the Osmo Pocket 4? Let us know in the comments what features you're hoping for. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and updates. We'll keep you posted as soon as there's more news on DJI's next big release.